Good morning, students. In this video we are going to learn how to identify how to transform active voice sentence into passive voice. Students, active voice sentence, it begins with subject, whereas passive voice sentence begins with object. Even in previous video we studied, in passive voice we always use to be forms and will. Here students, I have mentioned the sentence structure of active voice and passive voice. Active voice sentence structure is subject, verb, object, other words. Subject, verb, object, other words. In some sentences there are no other words. In some subject there is only direct object. In some sentences there is only indirect object. And there are some sentences that have both the objects. So sentence structure of active voice: subject, verb, object, other words, and full stop. Now passive voice sentence structure that begins with object. So first object, after object to be forms. After object to be formed, but to be formed we have to use as per the tense of the sentence and singular plural object. Then V3, after that by, then subject or object pronoun, and at last other words, full stop. You can see here passive voice sentence structure. First object, after object to be formed, and then remember to be formed this we have to use as per the tense and singular plural object, because in previous video we studied the to be forms, different to be forms for different tenses. So to be formed we have to use as per the tense and singular plural object. After that V3, by, then subject or object pronoun, then other words, and full stop. Now let's use this sentence structure and transform these three sentences into passive voice. See the sentence: her cousins teased her. Her cousins, subject, teased, verb, her, indirect object. So the sentence it is in active voice. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. In this sentence there are no other words. Now we transform this sentence into passive voice. Here her, it is indirect object. Here it is object. So we have to use at the beginning. But remember it is an object pronoun. So when we write in passive voice we have to transform it into subject pronoun, and the subject pronoun of her, that is she. She. So first we have used object, that is she. Now teased, that is which tense? Simple past tense. Now with she, to be formed we use of simple past tense two are there, was and were. So here with she we use was. Then third, V3. V3 of teased, that is saying teased. Then by, and then subject, her cousins. We have followed the sentence structure properly, so our passive voice sentence is correct. She was teased by her cousins. Next, he writes poems. He, subject, writes verb, poems, direct object. Now we use this sentence structure. We transform in passive voice. First object, so poems. Writes, which tense? Simple present. So in simple present tense, three to be forms: am, is, and are. So with poems we use to be form are. Then V3 of writes, that is written. After written, preposition by. Then he, here it is subject, so it's object pronoun him. And full stop. So our sentence now it is in passive voice. Poems are written by him. Let's see the third sentence. She knows his address. She subject, knows verb, his address direct object. So we follow the sentence structure of passive voice. First object, so his address. Knows, simple present tense to be forms am is are, and with his address we have to use to be form is. Then V3 of knows, known. His address is known by her, or even his known. It takes a preposition to, so known to her. So the answer, his address is known by her, or his address is known to her. So this is how we can transform active voice sentence into passive voice. Simple students, we have to follow this sentence structure. We have to follow this sentence structure. Students, watch these videos and try to solve worksheet C44 of your practice book. Thank you, students.